Hello everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to make slipstreams in Fortnite Creative, just like the ones you see on screen. Anyways, hope you find this helpful, and let's get into the video. There's only actually 4 blocks or items you're going to be using to build this. So first one is this cylindrical piece from the primitive shape gallery. If you go to the left side and click shapes, you'll find it. So just customize it and put it as whatever color you want. For what I'm doing black and pinkish purple as my 2 colors. So then you want a ring from the ring gallery, I believe it's ring gallery A. And so grab the ring and size it up to whatever size you want the hole that people can go through to be. For me, I wanted it to be just about like 2 blocks wide. So grab the pink or whatever your secondary color is. If you want a secondary color, you don't have to have one. For me, I chose to have like a pink like inner border, I guess, if that makes sense. So copy and paste all 3 of those and just place them wherever you want to be able to move through the slipstreams. So now, what the last item you're going to need for this build is the skydive volume. Very good piece, actually. I'm very glad that they added this. It helps a lot. I don't think you have to turn it sideways. I did, just in case. I honestly don't think you do. But if you do not turn it sideways, the dimensions will be different from what they are in my video. Well, they won't be different, but instead of height, it'll be width. So increase the height to wherever, like, however long the distance from one, like, pole to another pole is. Then the height, or the width and the depth is the size of the circle. So, like, somewhere around there. Mine is a little bit smaller than my circle, but it works. So then, on the yaw axis, and by the way, turn off grid snap for this part, to get it in the perfect rotation. Place it once it's pretty much just perfect from one to another. So then, yeah, copy and paste and just place it to the next one. And of course, change the height, because unless all of your poles are the same distance apart, you probably want to change the height. But so like here I have like a big empty space there, and I just need to increase it, so it's like that. So now once you have all of the skydive volumes done, and I only did a few just for example. So here's what the slipstreams will look like when you are finished. For whatever reason you may have this, I don't think it's a glitch, I think it's just how they're placed together when they like meet together, but sometimes you can't go both ways. Just move forward and then you'll be able to. And I think the best part is it like looks like a slipstream from the outside as well. You don't have to like add any of those like fog effects. So hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.